Hello fashion lover, welcome back to Fashion Forward, your go-to destination for the latest in fashion trends. Today we are diving into one of the most iconic and timeless staples in women's footwear, Stiletto high heels sandals. In 2024, stilettos are making an even bolder statement with innovative designs, striking color, and an emphasis on both style and comfort. Whether you are a high heel enthusiast or just looking to elevate your look, stay with us as we take you through the hottest trends, tips, and must have styles of stiletto sandals for this year. Let's get started. Before we get into what's hot this year, let's take a quick look at how stilettos have evolved over the decades. First introduced in the early 1950s, stiletto heels have long been associated with femininity, power, and sophistication. The name stiletto comes from the sharp, pointed dagger which mirrors the long slam heel design from the classic black pump to the avant-garde runway style. Stilettos have been worn by everyone from Hollywood icons to high fashion models. Today, stiletto heels are more diverse than ever. They have gone from strictly formal wear to an everyday fashion statement, and 2024 is pushing the boundaries with daring new designs and a renewed focus on comfort without sacrificing the signature elegance. Let's jump into the exciting part. The top stiletto trends for 2024 this year is all about versatility, boldness, and modern comfort. Minimalist elegance, less is more. In 2024, we are seeing an explosion of sleek minimalist stiletto that focus on clean lines and simple stops. Whether in neutral tones or metallic finishes, these styles are all about understated glamour. The barely their sandals are perfect for any occasion, seamlessly taking you from casual day wear to chic evening events. Vibrant color, get ready to stand out. While minimalist designs are popular, bold colors are making a massive comeback. Picture wide hues like cobalt blue, fairy red, and vibrant orange. These stilettos add a splash of personality to any outfit, making them perfect for those who want to make a statement. Metallic and reflective finishes. Whether it's a glamorous night out or chic party look, metallic finishes are the go-to trend in 2024. Gold, silver, rose, gold, and even reflective mirrors on heels are lighting up the streets. These shimmering styles pair beautifully with cocktail dresses and evening gowns, giving you that extra edge of sophistication. Animal prints. Animal prints continue to dominate the runways in 2024, and we are seeing them all over stilettos, to from snake skin to leopard prints. These eye-catching patterns are great for adding a touch of wild energy to your outfit. You will find these prints combined with other texture for an even more striking effect. Architectural heels design are pushing the envelope with heels that are not only functional but artistic. In 2024, stilettos are featuring unique sculptural designs. Think geometric shapes, twisted heels, and unexpected materials like acrylic or wood. These are statement shows that double has works of arts. Comfort meets height. Yes, you heard it right. One of the biggest trends in 2024 is the merging of comfort and style. Designers are incorporating cushioned footbeds, ergonomic designs, and better art support into high-heeled sandals. This means you can wear your stiletto longer without feeling the burn. Now that you know the trends, let's talk about how to style these stunning stiletto high heel sandals for different occasions. Casual day look. For a laid back yet chic whip, pair your minimalist stiletto sandals with cropped jeans and a tucked in blouse or even a flowy summer dress. Neutral tones like beige or nude are perfect for an effortless polished look. Office or business casual, you can totally rock stilettos in a professional setting. Choose a classic black or nude sandal with a medium heel height for added comfort. Pair them with tailored trouser or a pencil skirt for a sophisticated and powerful look that shows you you mean business. Date night or evening out, this is where you can really go bold. Opt for vibrant colors, metallic finishes, or even animal prints for a fun variety look. Pair your bold stilettos with a little black dress or a sleek jumpsuit and you are sure to turn heads. Street style chic. If you are going for that high fashion street style, mix and match your statement stiletto with more casual pieces like oversized blazer, wide leg trouser, or even easy leather jackets. It's all about balancing comfort and drama. Now that you are ready to shop, here are a few tips to help you pick the perfect pair of stiletto sandals this year. Choose the right heel height. The standard heel height ranges between 3 to 4 inches. But if you are new to stilettos or want more comfort, consider a lower heel or a wedge style stiletto. Focus on comfort. Focus on comfort. With the trend of comfort and style coming together, look for shoes with padded insoles and materials that mold to your foot. Over time, you want to feel fabulous, not painful. Select versatile colors. While bold colors and prints are in, having a classic black or nude stiletto will ensure you always have a go-to pair that can be worn with any outfit. Test them out. Always try your heels before purchasing. Walk around in them to make sure you are comfortable and provide proper balance and support. As much as we love stiletto, it's important to take care of your feet. Here are some tips to keep your feet happy. Break in your heels. Always break in your stilettos before wearing them for extended periods. Wearing them around the house for short intervals to get your feet used to the height and fit. Use gel inserts. Gel inserts or cushioned pads can help reduce pressure on the balls of your feet, making those long nights out much more comfortable. Starch your feet. After wearing heels, starch your feet and calves to relieve tension. This will help prevent foot pain and stiffness over time. Alternate with flats. Give your feet a break by alternating between heels and flats, especially if you are wearing heels for extended periods. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to stiletto high heel sandals for women in 2024. Whether you are looking for a minimalistic sandal, a bold statement piece, or a combination of style and comfort, this year's trends you have something for everyone. Be sure to hit the like button if you have enjoyed today's video and subscribe to Fashion Forward for more style tips and fashion insights, and do not forget to comment below on which stilettos trends you are excited to try this year. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep starting in style.